Hello and welcome to Timeline Travel. In this short video, I will describe how to use Timeline Travel e-learning platform. Firstly, please go to timelinetravel.net and click on Timeline Travel e-learning platform. In this page, you will see the available courses as listed here, and you will see a warning: please sign in or register to view course contents and enroll in classes. If you try to click on one of the courses, you will see the same warning. Therefore, you need to first sign up. If you have a user account previously taken, then you can log in. But if you don't have one, you need to sign up as a teacher or as a student. Let's sign up as a student now. It's a very easy process. You will choose a username, email address, and password. Then click on sign up. After that, you will see the main page again and available courses listed here. And let's click on one of these courses to see its content. After clicking, you will see two options. You will either have a private group or a public group. If you have a password for the private group given to you by your instructor, then you will be able to join this private group. Otherwise, you will go into the public group as you see here now. These are the contents of the lecture and for the course, and for each course you will see a lecture list as seen here. Let's click on one of them. And these are the contents of this lecture. The contents appear as a PDF or a video or an external link. And you will see your progress on the lecture progress bar seen above. This is one of the example of the contents seen as a PDF, and this is how you get the progress and you earn some points after completing each task. This is an example of a video. They come as an embedded videos, and this is an example of a quiz. You can start the quiz and see the questions, and after clicking on each question, you will see the options. Now let's come back. And there is another type of task, which are open-ended questions given by your instructor. And you need to submit your answers as a PDF file. You need to choose your document, which you previously prepared from your computer, then submit it. You have to either finalize your submission, or if you want to make any changes, you can edit your submission later. And there is another type of content, which is a link to Timeline Travel tool. Let's click on Büyük Checkmate Bridge now, and you will see the content will open in a new tab, and you will see Büyük Checkmate Bridge on the timeline and on the map. And if you click on the content, you will see its photos and its information available for your use. Let's come back again, and before finishing, let me introduce you some of the buttons. This is the home button. This is taking you to the Timeline Travel tool. This is giving you information about the Timeline Travel e-learning platform, and this is showing a manual to understand how to use Timeline Travel. This is listing the courses, all available courses, and this is My Courses button, which gives you access to your courses which you enrolled. And if you click on this button, you will see the grades that you take. and there are 4 language options. Finally, you can log out and exit. Thank you for listening.